Is she feels it when you go into tomorrow? Where you go, what a last time. And I feel when I'm begging just better. Well, she's found ba-da-ba-ba. And I feel so much depends on the weather. So is it raining in the bedroom when I see these are the eyes of disarray? Won't you hear me? And I mean it. And she feels it. When you come to tomorrow, when you come with a master found. Hey everybody, how are you? And I feel what a dog's begin just smell her. Well, she smell alone. Yeah, amazing song, right? By the Goat. Got time to wait for tomorrow to find it. Hey Chavan, how are you? Find it. Where you don't find it. Got time, wait for tomorrow to find it. Find it. Bound, bound. Well, all right. How are you guys? Let's cut the Stone Temple Pilots off, and yeah, I have some thoughts on the DXY. I am, however, guiding my show, so you're going to have to wait. First of all, I want to talk about this great short that I have figured out in gold. This is a nice 6.66 R, so it is the trade from the devil. I'm sorry. For my cough, not the devil comment, right? So I'm looking at this is about patience, right? I am looking at shorts in gold after this market changed its character, breaking with these lows, right? Now, this is the move that broke or changed the character in this market. I am looking to get in on a tap towards that imbalance field, maybe a tap. I mean, it would be better something like this on a 16R, but I want to get filled on my position, right? So I'm gonna put on my sell limits here at the 17, just at the bottom of my power sell zone right here. So around the 1786.16. For my first trade of the day, yesterday I lost 1%, which is fucking fine. But this is looking good. Right now, price broke with these lows, changing the character of this market to short. Not too short, but to sellers driven. And now we are seeing just liquidity build up, right? We have to wait for this liquidity to get taken out. And this is what I look for in this particular entry model. I look for liquidity build up at the incorrect area, which is the previous broken lows, right? And then I'm sorry about that. More often than not, these weak sellers, right? Impatient sellers, eager to get in on the market sellers, are going to get fucked. And this is where I want to get in on a tap on my power sell zone. Maybe I'm gonna get in on a little drawdown. Really doesn't matter. But I am most definitely going to place that sell limit order. Oh boy, where is it? So I said that I have to pull my Fibonacci tool on my MT4 just to pinpoint my power sell zone. Uh-oh. Chart. What is this? View. Toolbar. What? Study. Stanford Custom Standard. I don't know. Where do you pull the Fibonacci on the MT4 tools? I don't know. I don't remember. Channel Fibonacci. Here it is. Retracement. Shit. It has been a while since I've used Fibonacci's on an MT4, mates. Now, I am going to take this off of your screen for a second. I don't remember my 86. All right, so I remember now. Pulling it back again. I'm gonna give you my entry in a minute, guys. Right, so you need to calm down. And alright, and then delete, and delete, and okay. What? That's not correct, is it? Yeah, that's not correct here. Oh shit, now what did I do? I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to figure out the Fibonacci tool on MT4. It's been a while. Alright, there you fucking go. So my entry is going to be at the 1787.15. Right. Indicator list, position size calculator, 1787.15. And stop losses, I don't know. Just above the highs here. So 10 pips. Yeah, that should be good enough. That's a big ass massive trade that I'm on right now. Let me just place it. New order. I'm gonna place half a lot here. Sell limit at 1787.15. Then 1788.15. And my target is going to be this demand zone. I don't want to be greedy, so I'm going to target 1782. Place. Right, so this gives me a 6R, I guess. Yeah, 5R. 5R. That's fine. Right, any questions, guys? So this is going to be a long fucking show. This is the 1 minute time frame, mate. Sean Johnson. This is the 1 minute time frame. Oh, might get some GBP Japanese yen action too in a minute. I'm gonna need a sentimental woman to pump me up. Let me just share this with my VI fucking P's. Yeah, so yesterday I lost. I trade once per day, normally two times if there's real good action. And yesterday I lost my daily trade, which is fine because and it was on gold, and I lost 1%, a little bit more than 1%, 1.2% or so, which is fine because this entry model yields um, on average 6.9 risk to reward ratio trades. So even if I lost half of my trades, I would make money because of the probability of success that is quite, I'm sorry, high. So don't focus on one single trade, mates. If you do, you're welcome to fuck off on my VIP group. You know, if you focus on the outcome of one single trade, you are really not meant to be a trader. That's all I tell you, right? You need to focus on the math. And I'm pretty confident about mine, right? So let me just send this to my VIPs. Right? Right. So let's go. We're going to move forward. We're going to move from this gold trade. I'm just going to record the, um, the video. Actually, I'm going to send this as a free signal to, I am. Yes, I do have a sell limit order on gold, man. I do have a sell limit order on gold. This one right here. If you're a VIP, already send it. But I am going to send it as a free trade too because I am feeling foxy. Alright. Right, so I'm gonna record the video that I normally record on all of my trades for my VIPs. I'm gonna send it to the free group too, right? Uh, right. I'm gonna record this. Just give me a second, guys. All right, Dan Adrian has received the sell limit order. So how are you guys? Let me talk about this gold trade that I have on. Well, I don't have a trade still. This is a pending order. Now, what I'm looking at here is short in gold, right, guys? And basically, what I'm looking at I'm looking at the short market, the short side of this market, because gold just broke with these lows, right? Changing the character in the short term from bullish to bearish. Now, I'm looking at an imbalance here, right? A fair gap value market. And also, I'm looking at this supply zone that created that move to the downside. Now, here we have, our gold just took out the sell side liquidity, might be an inducement before the actual move to the upside. We don't know yet. But what I do know is that I don't take trades at these levels. These for me are very weak players in the market that normally very often are going to be taken out. And this is just buy side liquidity being built up. So what I'm expecting is price to take out this weak shorts in the market, tag me in right in the middle of the imbalance and right below my power entry zone. If I get triggered, I am expecting to get in on a little bit of a drawdown maybe. If price hits and decides to mitigate this supply zone, which actually I might just cut my risk. I might just cut my risk or my trade in half and just add in another position here with half my risk. If that happens, I'm gonna keep you posted on that because that is actually what I might just do. But this is my trade idea. If price continues to move to the downside, then sellers are really in control of this market and it won't be triggered on anything. Why do you think that gold will go higher? I mean, you have to explain this stuff to me because, you know, coming from anybody doesn't mean shit that you think that gold is going higher or lower. I mean, do some explanation, please, about what you think is why. I mean, your thoughts behind why gold is going to go higher because that, I mean, it doesn't mean anything to me. Um, you just heard my thought process on this one. So why don't you type out yours, right? Let's have a real trading discussion, not just you know wishful thinking or whatever. Right. So this is gold moving forward. It's kind of hot here. Uh, maybe the coffee. Yesterday I told you that I was giving up coffee, but I couldn't, so I'm drinking a cup. Yeah, it's too heavy. I mean, starting my day at 2 a.m. It's just too heavy without coffee. Right, this is my gold trade. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna keep it on here. Uh, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Good question here. Is it worth taking the sell and hedging the swing trade? Yes, that is exactly what I'm doing, man. That is exactly what I'm doing myself. Our entry in gold is also right there at the 1782 level. So, no, I'm sorry. Let me see on my MT4. Shit. It's much lower. Yeah, I mean, our entry in gold is the 1776. So this is really not a hedge. This is just a day trade, possible day trade in this market. But yeah, this is exactly what I'm doing, mate. I am keeping my swing trade long in gold whilst trying to trade the downside in this market. So let's have a look at the DXY and what the hell is going on here. So a very rangy couple of days, even though we've had some momo, right? Some momentum to the from to both sides, right? The level capping the upside in DXY is the 50, 105.25. To the low side, to the downside. I'm sorry, we have this level capping the downside at the 104.66. So very two tough levels right now. The USD is in the middle of nowhere, in my opinion. Oh boy, this might actually be a great setup. So it's in the middle of nowhere at the moment. So I'm really not looking towards any US dollar driven trades, mate. Just because this is too, I mean, I don't trade in ranges. I just don't trade in ranges. That's my first rule. So this is a big no for me today. Let's go have a look at the Japanese yen. So the Japanese yen did broke with the downside of that range yesterday. I didn't take any Japanese yen trades just because the one that I was looking was all the pound yen. So what the fuck was I looking at yesterday? I don't remember. Must have been, yeah, I remember now. Must have been this and mitigation of this. Maybe we do have a 15-minute imbalance here. Shit, I didn't save it. All right, so hold on. Let me save it. Save as imbalance. Right, save. Yes, okay. And save. Right. Oh boy, gold broke. But you know what? It's fine. Let's continue to wait for that pull up. Uh-huh. And let's see if I was able to imbalance. There you fucking go. We have an imbalance here, right? We have liquidity build up here. Uh-huh. Let's still wait for. I mean, let's have a look at this pound yen. This is the 50-minute chart. I'm really still looking forward for this, mates. To be completely and utterly honest with you, um, yeah. What's the difference between support and resistance and supply and demand? Very good question. I'll answer that in a jiffy. I think that will go to mitigate that liquidity from 17 1991 and after to go short 1777. Let's have a look now. That's something that I dig, my friend. Very good. You're looking at the higher time frames, right? So what I was looking at was the pound yen here. Now that's something that I really love to discuss, right? Now I'm going to delete this. So you're talking about 1790. Let's have a look at my other screen. 1790. What you know what? Why don't you tell me what time frame you're looking at, mate, please? I would love to see that. Would love to see that. Now, having said that, we do have something very interesting in the works here. Now, hold on. Chinga tu madre. All right, so this is what I'm looking at now. New zone, right? So this is supply, right? 50 minute, right? Um, right. So let's wait and see what happens. I'm still looking forward for shorts in gold. I'm not gonna chase price. I need to let price come towards my areas. Very possibly this week, supply zone is not going to hold. But you know what? I don't know. No one fucking knows what's going to happen. So let's have a look at the 50-minute chart. Um, Towards 1790 1790 so you're talking about this um, right here. Yeah, very possibly. So here's the dealio. Yeah, if you're looking at the 50-minute chart, let's have a look here. In gold, yeah, gold just dropping right now like a balloon with lead. Yeah, on the 50-minute chart, the only thing that I see here really is, again, an imbalance right here. An imbalance right here. Then to the upside, really what I look at as supply is this one right here. So yeah, probably not. I don't know, mate. I mean, who knows, right? Who knows what's going to happen? What I think about this is that we are below. I mean, I don't know. You have a good point. Let's just have a look at this. You have a good point here, but I'm not sure. Yeah, right there. But I'm not sure. I'm really just looking on to the the daily chart. The daily chart. I'm really just looking at today's possible entries. Really, not on the longer time frame. Right. So I'm gonna keep this on. Um, right. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this. I'm gonna keep an eye on this. Um, but you do have a point. I see exactly what you mean there, and maybe. But I'm looking at possibilities today, and this is what I'm looking at. Right. Should price just? This is just. So now that we have confirmation on the short side, I might just look at shorts here. I'm still looking for shorts today, mate, to be completely honest with you. But I am really not too keen on trading. The upside in this market for today. Um, I really don't play. Right. This is the thing. I see what you mean, and it might play out, right? But what I'm seeing today is this. This is what I'm seeing today. This is what I'm trying to catch today. So on the shit, fuck me dears. On the larger view, yes, you might be right now, but that will be, maybe for tomorrow, or if my trades fail, maybe for today, and then I will look for to catch for longs. Who knows, right? My day trading is this type of trading. Even though you might be right that price has unmitigated fair value gaps at the bottom, at the top, and very strong supply unmitigated too. Um, yeah, this is exactly what I'm looking at for today. But good eye. Right, let's wait and see what happens here. So I do have gold. Oh shit, hold on. Fuck. Yeah, I need to take, yeah, just wait for me for a second because this is a life or death situation here. I need to check my glucose. As you already know, I am a diabetic. I have to do this and take my meds. Oh, shit. Now, this is a very high reading. So I'll be right back, guys. I need to take my meds ASAP. ASAP. All right. All right. I am back. I am back. Um, yeah, I am back. Just remind me that I need to re-monitor my glucose levels in an hour, please. Yeah, so let's no, no one, Johnson. It's funny, but no one. Right, let's move forward from this. We will be back. I'm sorry. We will be back with more gold in the future. Oh shit. Sorry about that. Thank you for pointing that out, mate. Huh. I don't speak Turkish. I speak French. Um, yeah, I don't speak Turkish. So let's move forward and let's have a look. Oh yeah, the Japanese yen. So what's going on here with the Japanese yen? Am I looking for trades on the Japanese yen side? Sure, the hell I am. Of course I am. So yeah, just stop it with the with the fucking languages. I speak three languages. I speak English, French, and Spanish, 100%. But that's it. If you don't speak any of those three languages, you are uncommunicated with the entire fucking world. So it's not my problem. uh, right. So what I was telling you, yeah, there's CPI today. I know, and very possibly I'm not gonna be. Yeah, I understand that CPI today, and very, very, very possibly. Uh, I'm not going to get triggered. You know what? I'm going to do something actually. Forex Factory. Let me see what time the CPI data comes out. I'm going to go live 1 hour before the CPI data. So the CPI data is at 6:30 a.m. today. So very possibly I'm not gonna get triggered. Um, all right. So I'm not gonna get triggered. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shut this live show. No, there's no surprise gifts for anybody that doesn't speak English, right? I'm sorry. So I'm gonna shut this one off because I'm gonna talk to you right now. Hold on. Let me just do this. All right. So hold on, like this. Yeah. So very possibly. Let me see. Yeah. I don't know. Like this. So very possibly there's not going to be any big moves in the market right before the CPI data. It's quite improbable that we are going to get those gold triggers, right? So what I'm going to do, all right, I'm going to shut this stream off, but it's 3:30 a.m. here, right? It's 3:30 a.m. here, and CPI is uh, at 6:30 a.m. So in 3 hours. So I'm going to go back live, 1 hour before the CPI. I'm going to trade the CPI live, guys, and I am going to take it all the way, maybe to the New York Open. Maybe not because it's fucking 3 hours from that. But who knows? But I'll be back for the CPI data, and all the gifts that I promised you, discount codes, etc., are going to come. Bien sûr, on va briser le marché aujourd'hui, mon mec. Bien sûr, on va le briser. Donc, donc. So I'm going to go back with, and all the discount codes that I promised are going to be on that show. Everything that I promised you is going to be on that show. So don't miss that out, mates. Do not miss that out. And yeah, for my VIPs, you know what? Also for the free group, guys, I am going to monitor this possible shorting gold. Currently, yeah, I just decided this. I have just decided this. I am really not going to trade gold shorts um, at at the mitigation of this zone. Maybe I am. Actually, I haven't decided it just yet. Hold on. Let me decide just now. No, I don't like it. I really, really don't like it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do a pre-analysis. I'm going to do a pre-analysis. Neymar Jr. took cocaine during the World Cup. Did you notice that? Some guy just just put some white stuff up his nose on one of the games. I haven't watched any of the games myself. The World Cup, this World Cup, I just couldn't care less about it. But I really saw that those highlights where somebody put something white up Neymar's nose, and then they decided that because of that footage, he was going to have to take a doping, a drug test, which I don't know if he passed. I lost interest on the story after that, to be completely honest. So, this is my picture for today's trade, guys. I don't know. I'm going to do a pre-analysis, pre-CPI analysis. Might take a little short one here before the CPIs. Who the fuck knows? What I'm going to do depends on what price action does. Uh, you know. The conversation here has gone to John Cena, and that's my cue to get the fuck out because I'm losing my time here. I'm burning my time. So, see you guys.